Hi, sweethearts. It's Chantel from Sweet Job Spot. Thanks for following me, subscribing. Uh, Go ahead and like the page. Thank you so much for following my channel. And today I want to talk to you about your LinkedIn headshot. Yes, so we're going to talk about LinkedIn headshots and why they are really important and how to make a good one just on your own. Okay, so a lot of us now are stuck at home. For those of you who are tuning in on a replay, I'm recording this during the COVID virus of 2020. COVID 19 is technically the name, and it started in 2019, but it's 2020 and it's still around. So we're going to talk about your LinkedIn profile, your headshot. Now, right now, obviously, everybody is not going around looking for professional photographers to take their headshot. Regardless of the fact of whether you have a professional photographer or not, you can take a fairly good headshot on your own. One thing that I do, just to tell you what I do right now, as you can see, I have a nice little background right here. I'm in front of my desk in my house. I'm facing a window. So these are some of the things you want to do, because as I'm facing this window, as you can see, like there's a lot of points of light hitting my face. It's not dark and I'm not super far away. Some things you want to look at is making sure that you're illuminated properly, so you have your whole face in the picture. And I would say probably you want to do like from maybe about here up is really a good place. And the reason why, I know some people will do kind of a full body shot, or they'll, do their arms up or something like that. The reason that can be a little problematic is because a lot of people are using their cell phone and they're looking on their screens and seeing if they can find candidates. So that being the case, a more closer headshot is good. Thanks for following me, subscribing.